Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the orange and green lines here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely want to get some things updated here. First update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, you want to see, or they tend to act as resistance. And that is what 60 cents represents. So the last time I did the video talked about 60 cents as support. Then the price broke below it. So at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened. You can see right there, bounce, got rejected. And then even today, bounce, got rejected right up around 60 cents. So I'm not saying that 60 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling around that area. And that if there is going to be any sort of bigger movement, that is going to be that key level that needs to be broken. However, I will give credit where credit's due. The bulls showed some signs of progress today. Let me extend this out so that it'll make a little bit more sense. But they were finally able to get the break of that trend line. And it had been a slow and steady bleed, but the price got below it. Now, nothing huge, but like I said, that's a step in the right direction. So step number one has been completed. The price was finally able to get through that trend line. Now the next big step is, can the price finally get up above that 60-cent mark, which, as I've already shown, has rejected the price a couple of times already. But like I said, the momentum seems to be drifting in the right direction. Now, just because these dynamics have happened does not mean that for sure the price is breaking 60 cents. I'm just saying it makes more sense. It's rational at this point to have more of a bullish look on things. Whereas previously, when the price was just getting destroyed, it really didn't make any sense at all to think that the bulls were showing any sort of signs of power. And, maybe this isn't any sort of genuine power. Again, my point is there's no guarantees, but it's at least a valid thought to have. Now, if the price rolls back over, and especially, breaks down below that 40-cent mark, which is the level of support right there, that green line, then yeah, everything here it has just been kind of a fake movement on the bulls' part. But as of right now, definitely an interesting setup going forward, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.